Hey, and welcome to Get Creative. This month we are going to be doing cactus rock painting. If you have not been to the library yet and gotten a virtual to-go pack, try calling and see if we have one. The pack will include most of the materials you see before you, the rocks, the paint, the little pot. If you don't have that or you weren't able to get in touch with us, most of these materials you can find pretty easy at your local craft store or local hardware store. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start off, take some paint and start painting these rocks. Let's see if we can get up there. You might take a coat or two, but so you don't like completely covered. So I'm just gonna do this side, and then I'm gonna take my heat gun to dry it and then do it again. Now, another thing you can do if you want to try and make your rocks look a little more distinct, you can mix a little green and white, and that way like your cactuses are slightly different shades. Let's try and dry them, then I'll put a coat on one of them. Okay, so let's then, once your green is dry, you're going to go back over with the white to create little pricklies on the cactus. It's probably not the scientific term, but that's what we're going to call it. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can either just do a couple lines of dots like that. Or you can do a couple different like sort of shapes. So you can either do like small cross, you could do like a row of V's. Whatever you think works best for your cactus. So while we let them sit there to dry, real quick, we're gonna get to work on our pot. Now, if you want to paint it, you can, or you can just leave it plain like this. I'm just gonna leave mine plain like this for right now. So you should also have in your pack some smaller rocks and some newspaper. So we're gonna take some of the newspaper and line the bottom of the pot with it. Once you have it lined up about halfway, you can test and see how your rocks fit in it. These are actually a little warm. Okay, so yeah, so we got them in there. We're going to take some of our small white rocks and use them to fill in the space in between our big rocks. Alright, well, there you go. Well, so I didn't go ahead and paint the back of mine, but you should go ahead and do that before you start putting them in. But anyway, that's how it's going to look when it's finished. So yeah, so a nice little plant that you don't have to water. So, so yeah, so that is our craft for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it.